this is the one I'm gonna use for the shelves. And I got the same thing cut in pieces. I got 2 of these, which is $16 each, and I also got 2 of, I got 4, and then I had 2 cut into pieces, and then 2, so it's gonna be like set up like this. dry very good. And yeah, so tomorrow is when I'm gonna, hopefully it'll be dry. This one, I'm not using any drills, any nails, any screws or anything like that. I'm just using the Gorilla Glue, which is supposed to work glue. So if you're gonna make something like that, make sure you don't put anything heavy, like really heavy on it, because it's gonna drop. So mine, I'm not gonna put anything heavy on it, so that's why I went ahead and use glue. And also because I don't really like drills, I get scared of that thing. So yeah, if you're gonna do the same thing, make sure you don't put anything heavy on it. Yeah, the room is looking some type of way right now because I am working on this, but it will get back in place once all that is done. And it's gonna go like on the side here and on the side there of the mirror, which is so good. It is time for me to spray paint it, and I am using this spray paint right here. Is good for wood. What does it say? Anyways, it's good for wood. So it's white.